pretty snazzy looking wheels on that thing.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, I bought a, I don't know, are you familiar with motorcycles?
I had a Honda 1965 Honda Seca 10.
Oh yeah, that was actually really good.
Paid $300 for it.
I didn't
This is the 1983 Yamaha XJ900. You can see from this shot right here that probably the O-ring and the anti-dive unit is leaking. And you've got a little bit of seepage on this side also. And then as we go back, someone had the gumption to paint the exhaust down tubes black. Have no idea why. And let's go over here. Get a little bit closer. You can see that the carbs. And then underneath, it's probably be time to have the carburetors rebuilt. And there's also a little bit of oil in this area. I think it's from this plug right here. The O-ring has probably gone bad. And then as we go back up, one of the most common things, this is the bottom side of the airbox. Owners love to lube up that air filter with oil, and they put way too much in, and then it drips down and we get oil all over this area through here. I don't think there's an oil leak. Like I said again, I think it's just from the oil filter being lubed up way too much. And you can see on this side of the carburetors we have a bunch of gum and goo, and that may just be from the owner leaving the petcock in the prime position, which means that the vacuum can't operate it to open and close the gas, that it's on all the time. So we'll do a cleanup, see how she runs. But the great thing is it starts and runs really well. We've got a little issue right around the master brake cylinder. That's going to clean up fairly easily. And the forks look pretty pit free. I don't see any pitting here, but we'll go out and take it for a test drive and see what it brings up. Again, I am baffled why anyone would paint the chrome down tubes, the exhaust headers, but this owner did. We'll have to probably send those out and have them re-chromed. And then also the collars right here, those really polish up really nicely with a lot of time and effort, but we'll put that into it and make it clean up really nice.